notice tiny dark spots on your legs after shaving? Those little dots that make your skin look like a strawberry? If yes, then you might be dealing with strawberry legs or keratosis pilaris. Namaskar, I am Dr. Ipshita Johari, dermatologist and founder of Skinfinity Derma. And in today's video, we'll discuss what strawberry legs are, why they happen, and most importantly, how you can get rid of them for a smooth, flawless skin. So what are strawberry legs? Strawberry legs refer to those tiny dark spots or spots on your skin, especially on the thigh and lower legs. They look like strawberry seeds, which is why they are called as strawberry legs. Causes of strawberry legs: clogged hair follicles called as keratosis pilaris. This is a buildup of keratin in the hair follicle causing tiny bumps. Shaving or waxing mistakes. Improper techniques can cause irritation and dark spots. Dry skin. Lack of moisture makes the pores more visible. Ingrown hair. Trapped hairs lead to dark spots and rough texture. PCOS. Skin is more sensitive in PCOS, leading to ingrown hair. So does strawberry leg or keratosis pilaris affect your health? The good news is that strawberry legs and KP are completely harmless. They are purely a cosmetic concern and do not indicate any serious health issues. No pain, no health risk. KP and strawberry legs do not cause pain or discomfort in most cases. They are not contagious. You cannot spread it to others. Mild itchiness or dryness. Some people experience mild irritation which can be managed with proper skincare. Can they go away? KP tends to fade over time, but consistent exfoliation and hydration help to keep it under control. However, if you experience redness, swelling, or persistent irritation, it's best to consult a dermatologist for treatment. So, how to get rid of strawberry legs? The good news is that strawberry legs are totally treatable. Here's how you can get smooth, even-toned skin. Exfoliation. Remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Use chemical exfoliants like salicylic acid, retinol, and glycolic acid. This helps in clearing the clogged pores. Lactic acid-based lotions gently dissolves dead skin cells and smoothens the rough texture. DIY scrubs. Mix sugar and coconut oil for a natural exfoliant. Number 2. Moisturize every day. Hydrated skin, fewer dark spots. Use urea-based ceramide or shea butter lotions to lock in the moisture. Number 3. Switch to better hair removal methods. Avoid dry shaving. Always use a sharp razor and shave with aloe vera gel or shaving cream. Laser hair removal. It's a permanent option to reduce hair growth and prevent dark spots. Waxing versus shaving. Choose soft wax over razors if you have sensitive skin. Number 4. Treat ingrown hairs. Use a pumice stone gently on wet skin to prevent ingrown hairs. Apply tea tree oil for its antibacterial properties. Number 5. Professional treatments for faster and permanent results. Chemical peels removes pigmentation and smoothens the skin. Laser hair reduction. It prevents repeated irritation from shaving and waxing. So if you struggle with strawberry legs, follow these simple steps for smoother, even-toned skin. For personalized skincare solutions, or if you have any queries regarding strawberry legs and ingrown hair, call us on the given number and book a consultation at Skinfinity Derma. Tell me in the comments what's your biggest concern when it comes to skincare. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more skin and beauty tips. This is your dermatologist, Dr. Ipshita Johari, signing off. Namaskar.